In the spring of 2014, I found myself in my kitchen planning my suicide. So what I decided to do was go on and find a holistic medical doctor and finally get my levels tested. And he started to tell me, well, it's no wonder you've been depressed for so many years. Your brain's been working against you because you've been starving it. And that was a huge wake-up call for me of thinking, even though I was a healthy eater, there were specific and very critical areas that I needed to optimize for my brain function and for my neurotransmitters to be healthy. This entire course is to encourage you to experiment with new foods and new supplements and new mindfulness techniques, and for you to get clear about what works for you.